Wow, that's so big power. It is a 120 watt series medical power adapter KRECO provides for you. We provide intelligent power solutions. Now we already get the trust from numerous purchasers, designers, and engineers in the medical industry. So if you are interested in our product, you could look at our the quality and the shape of the mold. It passed the medical grade certifications. It could be dual customization, output voltage and output current. IEC 60601 standard UL. And this one is a 112 watt series, and we also have many others from 6 watts to 480 watt series. Also have other industry power adapters. So you check. We have certifications UL, CB, TUV, and so on, EMC, FCC, and so on. So you inquire us, and we do customization for you. Your requirement is the first place in our heart. Thank you.